Scout Heiman. You don't have to be stuck inside doing board games and stuff like that. You can come outside, look at the rose bushes. You can prune it down, put it off to the side, cut it, and put it in a bin. I'm just going to trim these bushes to make it break down, and then I can put it in the compost bin. Around here at the compost bin, we have a little bit of work to do. I need to turn over all of it, especially the ash and the horse poo, ready for spring. There's always something to do in the outdoors. Join me next time on Scoutin' About.